Python attacks lion. Python attacks tiger. Wildlife is harsh. The boundary between life and death is extremely fragile. Predators bravely embark on risky attacks to hunt their prey, and pythons are no exception. Right now, don't take your eyes off the screen. Let's explore. 30 moments when hungry pythons swallow big cat animals mercilessly. A leopard was disappointed because he couldn't hunt his prey, and he walked without warning through a bush. Suddenly, from the bushes, a python rushed out to attack it without any defense, causing the leopard to lose its advantage and almost become a meal for the python. Fortunately, it escaped the control of the large python, but the leopard injured one leg. This makes it quite difficult to move. Life had to go on. Too hungry, the leopard went in search of food. The lame leopard caught the attention of a hungry tiger, which quickly approached and killed the leopard, then mercilessly ate it. Nothing is absolutely guaranteed in nature. As soon as its hunger was satisfied, the tiger had to die in the clutches of a large python. Immediately afterwards, the python swallowed the tiger at the scene. Possessing strong muscles and a large mouth, pythons can completely swallow prey many times larger than themselves. While enjoying the meal, a young lion appeared, causing the python to stop. But as soon as it finished eating, the lion in its pride returned to attack, killing the python and brutally eating it. Although it does not possess sharp claws and fangs, pythons are hunters with extremely professional camouflage abilities. It often hides to approach its prey, then attacks and squeezes the prey quickly and unexpectedly, leaving the prey with absolutely no chance to resist. However, when full, the python's attack and defense abilities are very weak. Therefore, they often choose to abandon their prey when encountering enemies. But that doesn't mean pythons are gentle predators. A hyena, after robbing a large python but it is still not satisfied, the hyena wants to eat the python. Anticipating the danger, the python counterattacked, leaving the hyena unable to react. The python quickly strangled and swallowed the hyena. Too hungry, a python risked its life to swim into the swamp to attack a baby crocodile. With the advantage of larger body size, the python quickly killed the crocodile and swallowed it right next to the riverbank. Hunger is the source of most of the fierce battles in the wildlife world. It initially seemed to lose its advantage, even being bitten by the crocodile. But soon the python overturned the situation, killing the crocodile with strong muscles. Another scene shows a python trying to approach the tiger family with the aim of attacking the cubs. This was quickly discovered by the mother tiger. With no offensive advantage, the python tries to retreat. But the hunger and danger of this enemy make the mother tiger unable to ignore. It attacked continuously and killed the python quickly. Just like that, the tiger cubs had a delicious meal. The merciless wildlife does not allow the animals here to let their guard down. Danger can be anywhere. Standing between the choice of starving to death and risking their lives to hunt, wild animals have no choice. Therefore, the only way to survive is to fight to the end to get a meal. No matter how high the risk of losing your life, that is nature's rule of survival. Thank you for watching the whole video. Let me know which moment impressed you the most. Wild nature is always mysterious and full of surprises. Subscribe to the channel to get notified about more wildlife videos. See you again.